Deep in the heart of Montana, nestled among towering pines and sparkling streams, lies a treasure trove of flavor, the huckleberry. These tiny dark jewels, bursting with sweet tart juice, are more than just a fruit, they're an experience. Their elusive nature only adds to their allure, making each juicy discovery a cause for celebration. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Montana's state fruit, the mighty huckleberry. Imagine biting into a berry that tastes like the wildness of the forest itself, with a hint of sweetness that lingers on your tongue. That's the magic of the huckleberry. But its appeal goes beyond its delicious flavor. The huckleberry is deeply intertwined with Montana's history, culture, and economy, making it a true icon of the treasure state. In the following sections, we'll embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this beloved berry. From its impressive health benefits to its role in Native American traditions, we'll explore the many facets of the huckleberry and discover why it holds such a special place in the hearts of Montanans. So, grab your hiking boots and your appetite for adventure. It's time to discover the magic of the huckleberry.
Don't let their diminutive size fool you. Huckleberries are nutritional powerhouses. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that offer a wide range of health benefits. Just a handful of huckleberries provides a significant boost of vitamin C, essential for a healthy immune system. But the benefits don't stop there. Huckleberries are also rich in anthocyanins, the pigment responsible for their deep purple hue. Anthocyanins are potent antioxidants that may protect against heart disease, cancer, and age-related cognitive decline. With every juicy bite, you're not just indulging your taste buds, you're nourishing your body from the inside out. These tiny treasures are also a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. And let's not forget about their low calorie count, making them a guilt-free treat. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen, or dried, huckleberries are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet.
For centuries, the huckleberry has held a place of honor in the cultural tapestry of Montana. Long before European settlers arrived, Native American tribes recognized the value of this wild berry. The Salish, Kootenai, and Blackfeet tribes, among others, relied on huckleberries as a staple food source, incorporating them into their diets and traditional recipes. Huckleberries were more than just sustenance. They played a significant role in spiritual practices and ceremonies. The berries were often used in offerings and rituals, symbolizing abundance, gratitude, and the interconnectedness of life. Stories and legends about the huckleberry were passed down through generations, weaving the berry into the fabric of their cultural heritage. When European settlers began to arrive in Montana, they quickly learned from the Native Americans about the bounty of the huckleberry. The settlers incorporated huckleberries into their own culinary traditions, creating pies, jams, and preserves that are still enjoyed today. The huckleberry became a symbol of resilience and adaptation, bridging the gap between cultures and enriching the culinary landscape of the region.
While huckleberries have always been a wild harvested delicacy, attempts to cultivate them have met with mixed success. The huckleberry's preference for specific soil conditions and its symbiotic relationship with certain fungi make it a challenging plant to grow commercially. However, that hasn't stopped enterprising Montanans from trying. Early attempts at huckleberry cultivation often involved transplanting wild bushes closer to homes for easier harvesting. While this method had some success, it was limited in scale. As demand for huckleberries grew, so did the need for more efficient cultivation practices. Over time, researchers and farmers have made progress in understanding the huckleberry's unique growing requirements. Today, small-scale huckleberry farms can be found throughout Montana, offering a taste of this wild delicacy to a wider audience. While the majority of huckleberries sold commercially are still wild harvested, these huckleberry farms represent a growing trend towards sustainable agriculture, and a commitment to preserving Montana's beloved berry for generations to come.
Section 5. The Art of the Huckleberry Hunt. For many Montanans, the thrill of the huckleberry hunt is just as rewarding as the taste of the berries themselves. Each summer, as the mountainsides turn shades of purple and green, people from all walks of life grab their buckets and head for the hills, eager to participate in this time-honored tradition. But before you embark on your own huckleberry adventure, it's important to be prepared. First and foremost, be aware of your surroundings. Huckleberry patches are often found in bear country, so it's crucial to take necessary precautions, such as carrying bear spray and making noise while you pick. Additionally, be respectful of private property and obtain any necessary permits before foraging on public lands. When picking huckleberries, patience is key. These tiny berries grow in clusters, and it takes time to fill a bucket. Avoid stripping branches or damaging the plants, as this can harm future harvests. Remember, sustainable foraging practices ensure that huckleberries will be enjoyed for years to come.
Section 6. Homesteading with Huckleberries. While wild huckleberries hold a special place in the hearts of many Montanans, the idea of growing these berries at home is gaining traction. Let's explore the pros and cons of cultivating huckleberries in your own backyard. On the positive side, growing huckleberries at home offers a reliable and convenient source of these delicious berries. It eliminates the need for foraging trips, making it easier for those with limited mobility or time. Additionally, homegrown huckleberries can be cultivated using organic practices, ensuring a healthy and sustainable harvest. However, there are challenges to consider. Huckleberries are notoriously difficult to grow and have specific soil and climate requirements. They thrive in acidic, well-drained soils, often found in mountainous regions. Replicating these conditions at home can be costly and labor-intensive. Fortunately, the Montana government provides support for homesteaders through various programs and initiatives. Grants and subsidies are available to those looking to cultivate huckleberries and other subsistence crops. These resources can help offset the initial costs and provide valuable guidance on best practices. Community co-ops and farmers markets also play a crucial role in the homesteading economy. These platforms offer a space for growers to sell their produce, fostering a sense of community and supporting local agriculture. By participating in these markets, homesteaders can share their knowledge, connect with other growers, and contribute to the local economy. In conclusion, while growing huckleberries at home presents its challenges, the support from the Montana government and the benefits of community co-ops and farmers markets make it a viable and rewarding endeavor. Whether you choose to forage in the wild or cultivate at home, huckleberries remain a cherished part of Montana's heritage. Section 6. Bringing huckleberries home. So you've returned from your huckleberry adventure, your buckets overflowing with these tiny treasures. Now what? The possibilities are endless. Huckleberries are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Of course, the simplest way to savor the flavor of fresh huckleberries is to eat them straight from the bucket. Their sweet tart juice is incredibly refreshing, especially on a warm summer day. But don't stop there. Huckleberries can be incorporated into a wide range of recipes, both sweet and savory. For a taste of Montana tradition, try your hand at making huckleberry pancakes, muffins, or a classic huckleberry pie. The berry's tartness pairs perfectly with the sweetness of batter and dough, creating a flavor combination that is both comforting and unique. If you're feeling adventurous, experiment with savory dishes like huckleberry salsa, barbecue sauce, or even huckleberry glazed salmon. Section 7. Preserving the purple bounty. The huckleberry season may be fleeting, but that doesn't mean you can't enjoy their delicious flavor year-round. Preserving huckleberries is a great way to extend their shelf life and savor the taste of summer long after the snow has fallen. One popular method is canning. Huckleberry jam and jelly are pantry staples in many Montana homes, adding a burst of flavor to toast, biscuits, and peanut butter sandwiches. Freezing is another excellent option for preserving huckleberries. Simply spread the berries in a single layer on a baking sheet and freeze until solid. Once frozen, transfer the berries to freezer-safe bags or containers, where they'll keep for several months. For a more concentrated flavor, try drying huckleberries. Dried huckleberries make a delicious and nutritious snack and can be added to trail mix, granola, or baked goods. No matter which method you choose, preserving huckleberries allows you to enjoy their unique flavor and nutritional benefits throughout the year.
Section 8. Huckleberry Economics and Celebrations. The huckleberry isn't just a delicious fruit, it's a vital part of Montana's economy. The annual huckleberry harvest generates millions of dollars in revenue for the state, supporting local businesses and communities. From huckleberry farms and processing plants to restaurants and gift shops, the huckleberry industry provides jobs and stimulates economic growth. But the economic impact of the huckleberry extends beyond dollars and cents. This beloved berry has become a symbol of Montana's natural beauty and cultural heritage, attracting tourists from around the world. Huckleberry-themed festivals and events are held throughout the state each summer, celebrating the harvest and showcasing the unique flavors of Montana. One such event is the annual Huckleberry Festival in Whitefish, Montana. This popular festival features live music, arts and crafts, and of course, plenty of huckleberry treats. From huckleberry ice cream and huckleberry lemonade to huckleberry barbecue sauce and huckleberry beer, there's something for everyone to enjoy.
Section 9. A taste of Montana's wild side. As we've discovered, the huckleberry is more than just a fruit. It's a symbol of Montana's wild beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. From its nutritional benefits and traditional uses to its economic impact and role in local celebrations, the huckleberry holds a special place in the hearts of Montanans. So, the next time you have the opportunity to taste a huckleberry, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to your plate. From the forests and mountainsides where it grew to the hands that harvested and prepared it, the huckleberry represents a connection to nature, tradition, and the spirit of Montana. Whether you're a seasoned huckleberry enthusiast or a curious newcomer, we encourage you to explore the many facets of this beloved berry. Go on a huckleberry hunt, try your hand at a huckleberry recipe, or simply savor the flavor of a fresh huckleberry and let it transport you to the wild beauty of Montana.